remove the lock knob, just use a pick and just get underneath here and just pop this off. You pop that little square out. You don't have to take it out completely, you just gotta pop it off a little bit and then slide it up. Just take a pick and just pop this cover out right here. Just like that, it just clips in.
Yeah.
And then this cover. Remove this cover, there's a little slot right there. Just get underneath there and slide it out. Take a 10mm socket and go through here. There's 2 bolts right there and right there. This vehicle actually does not have them, but you want to take those 2 bolts out. And there's another bolt right here. Take that out, the same 10mm socket. Now just get underneath the panel, use a plastic trim tool, and just pry it out. Just go around the perimeter of the door, just like that. You can grab the panel, just slide up and out. Disconnect the electrical connector right here. Just slide it down, it's just for the window switch. A little button, just push the button and slide it down. Then right here, take the cable out. You want to use some needle nose pliers and just push down on the 2 tabs. This one's broken, but you can slide that out and then slide the ball right out. But those are the 2 tabs you want to slide. Pinch those together and it slides out. And grab the panel and just slide it off. Now take these 2 screws out, use a 7mm socket. You can push the handle down. There's a couple tabs right there. You might have to use a screwdriver. Just pry that out a little bit. And it should slide down. And come right out. Take the handle and slide it underneath. Same way the old one came out. It goes that way. Right? Yeah. Put the screws back in. And tighten them down. All right, now we can reinstall this in the car. Connect the window switch, lock it in place, and you can take the cable and we're gonna slide the ball in first and slide over here and lock that in place. And just lift the panel. I'm gonna slide it in up top first, just like that. Make sure the lock knob rod is going through there. And line up the push pins. And just give it a tap. Now install the bolts. 1 bolt goes here. Snug it down, and then same with the other 2 that go in there. And tighten those down. Slide this cover in place. You're gonna slide the bottom in first, kind of the opposite of the way it came out. And then lock it in. Now install this cover. Lock that in. Slide the lock rod knob in position. Just make sure the rod is all the way up. That's all the way up. And then push this little door in place. And make sure it works.